Welcome back to another video. Today we solve medium level question from SQL series, the market analysis. So it gives us three tables, the users table, orders table and the items table, and the question asks to find the each user, the join date and the number of order they made as buyer in 2019. Okay, so the test case is like the users table having some ID, the date, joining date and the favorite brand, and in orders table the order ID, order date, at which date they place the order, and the item ID, which item, the buyer ID, who buy. The buyer ID is nothing, the user ID, the seller ID. Okay, the seller ID is different, and the items table. So we have to give the output in such way, the buyer ID, join date and the orders in 2019. Okay, and in output you see there are some zeros and some values. Okay, so we have to mention all the user ID as well if they buy nothing. Okay, so first the simple thing, and don't forget that we have a single condition that our order date should be in 2019. Okay, so we gonna find the user ID, select user ID, comma join date, comma we have to count something, count as what, as the orders in 2019, from which table, from users table, and we have to join the orders table. So we make a users table alias as u, so u join. So we gonna here use left join because we want all the user ID. Okay, because see here they use all user ID if they buy nothing also. Okay, so here u dot and the u dot, so users u left join with table, the orders table, orders table alias is o. Now on what basis, on u dot user ID equal to o dot buyer ID. Okay, not 0, the o, and the group, on what basis we have to group the user ID and the join date as well. Okay, so group by this. Now see here everything is looks good, looks perfect, but our the count this statement. Okay, so we have to count on what basis, on order date basis, and the condition is only this, the order date is 2019. Okay, so we wanna extract this order date column, the year, we wanna extract year from this table, this or this column order date, and if it matches then 1 else 0. Okay, because if there also, if there will be 1 then count 1 by 1. Okay, so count case when, count case when extract year from column o dot order date if this extract year from o dot order date. So understand, from when this query run, it return only the year like 2019 and 2018. So we want this matches should be 2019. Okay, so 2019, when it match then 1, then end as orders in 2019. So we don't need to explicitly add then 1 else 0. Okay, the SQL is smart enough to give a 0 as well. So see, okay, now see users ID, buyer ID. Okay, users ID is buyer ID, no issue. So now see So perfect. So you understand why we use extract. We gonna extract if you don't extract, don't write year here, okay? If you write month, so you extract month only. So what it gives you, it gives 8888. If you don't want extract month, if you want date day, then you find 1 2 3 4 5, something like that, okay? So extract is very good, you can say formula, or the very like the function which help us to extract uh, year, date, and the month as well from any date time column data type, okay? So now submitting this, and thank you for watching the video, and stay tuned for the next video. If you have any query, any